If I had to start making money with AI again from zero, knowing everything I know now, I would ignore almost everything you see online. No hype, no complicated systems, no chasing every new tool. I would focus on one simple AI service that actually works for beginners. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that is and why it works so well. Most people fail with AI because they try to do too much too fast. They try to build an AI app, they try to create a course, they try to go viral, and they end up overwhelmed, confused, and making no money. If you're just starting out, the goal isn't to build something impressive. The goal is to get results. So if I had to begin again, the one AI service I'd start with is this: helping people create content faster using AI. That's it. Not selling AI itself. Not building software. Just using AI to save people time. Every business, creator, and brand needs content. Emails, posts, short videos, captions, basic written content. And most of them hate doing it. That's why this works. Instead of asking people to pay for AI, you offer something they already understand. More content, less effort, better consistency. Here's how I do it. First, I'd pick one simple content type. Not everything at once. Just one. For example, short-form video captions, basic email drafts, or repurposing long content into smaller pieces. Then I'd use AI in the background to do the heavy lifting. Instead of writing from scratch, I'd use ChatGPT to generate drafts. Instead of spending hours editing, I'd use AI tools to speed everything up. The client doesn't care how it's done. They care that it saves them time. That's the key. You're not selling AI. You're selling speed. Next, I'd package it into a very simple offer. No website, no funnel, no complicated pricing, just a clear sentence. Something like, I help creators turn long videos into short content using AI. Or, I help small businesses stay consistent with content using AI. Simple always beats clever. Then comes the most important part: outreach. This is where most people freeze. They think they need a portfolio or a big audience. You don't. I'd send short, value-first messages. One improvement, one example, one sample. Something like, I noticed your content could be repurposed into shorts. I made a quick example if you want to see it. That's it. No selling, no pressure. When people see value first, they don't argue. They ask how much. And once you land one client, everything changes. You gain confidence. You learn faster. You improve your process. And because AI does most of the work, you're not trading hours for money. You're managing a system. That's why this is the one AI service I'd start with again. It's simple. It's in demand. And it works even if you're a complete beginner. If you want, I can break this down step by step in the next video, including the exact tools, outreach messages, and pricing. And if you want more beginner-friendly AI systems like this, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.